With non-native data, you can never know about the quality of the data you receive. In addition to errors that make it impossible to create a solid body, the data can also contain issues that are not immediately visible, such as varying sheet thickness. This often leads to complex model corrections in order to create a flat pattern. This is not a problem if you're using SPI SheetMetal Solutions. In this video series, we introduce you to some of the ways our sheet metal software can save you time and effort in designing, unfolding, and manufacturing sheet metal parts. This video will show you how SPI SheetMetal Solutions facilitates the unfolding of imported sheet metal parts. With the SPI SheetMetal software, you can, for example, attach material information if the thickness varies. And, prior to unfolding, adjust accuracy settings. This allows you to unfold components without having to modify the model. With each unfolding, you can view a log that gives indications of possible stumbling blocks. After adjusting the unfold parameters, you will receive a correct flat pattern. Furthermore, SPI SheetMetal Solutions can be used to insert bends on freeform surfaces so that the sheet metal part can be manufactured. For components where it is difficult to align the bend with the fingers, SPI SheetMetal Solutions can insert bend marks for better alignment on the bending machine. If you frequently work with non-native data, SPI SheetMetal Solutions will quickly become irreplaceable. Why don't you try it out for yourself? Contact us for an online demonstration and a free software trial.